welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I have an unboxing for you guys. It's basically the holiday season. I know it's October, but it's technically the holiday season because all the holiday gift sets are coming out and I just love this season. So as you guys know, because I already posted, Dior holiday gift sets did release, and of course I had to buy some. So if you guys want to see the Dior holiday gift sets I picked up and what I think is worth it, then please keep watching. Also, really quick, make sure you guys are joined to my Telegram group chat. It is basically a group chat where I share Dior coupon codes, Dior new releases, launches, all that good stuff, because coupon codes can change so quickly. So make sure you guys are in my Telegram group chat, because when there is a code available, I post it right away so that you guys can snag all the free gifts. Dior is one of my favorite websites to purchase from because you get so much for your money. So don't forget to join that. I also will post all the Dior coupon codes that are currently active in the description box down below. And I'll also put all the Dior holiday gift sets down below. They are so good because you're getting so much more for your money. You're getting a beautiful gold bag. You're getting makeup products, skincare products, just a range of different things. And you're getting more for your money because the value is higher than what you're actually spending. So those are my favorite things to be purchasing during the holiday season. But let's get into all the ones that I got. Also, I did something new with my hair. I used rollers. I feel like it's like in my face so much, but like it's just giving so much of volume and I'm like obsessed with it. I just feel like I can't see. I need it out of my face. I just want to address the elephant in the room. There's a Christmas tree right here. I'm actually sitting in my dining room because my beauty room's a mess. I'm trying to declutter, clean everything out to put all my Christmas decor in. But my dining room, it has two Christmas trees, one here and one in the other corner. I just wanted to address that. I know it's October, but you know what? Christmas is a season, not a holiday. So we're just going to enjoy the whole season. So I ended up getting two gift sets. I feel like the color, I have to use my professional camera because my husband broke my vlog camera accidentally. Hard to see. So the first one I got is the Glow Ritual one. This one retails for $80. Let's go ahead and open it. This is actually my first time opening it. I didn't even peek. I waited till I was filming so you guys can see. Let's go. Oh my goodness. The color of this is stunning. I'm gonna zoom in. Do you guys see that iridescent? Oh my god, it's so pretty. Then on the sides, you got the logo. You actually got two logos. You got a CD and a little star. Let's go ahead and open this up. What's inside? So they are wrapped very well. So these are the two items that come inside this gift set. You got the Rosy Glow Blush and the Dior Lip Oil. These are both full sizes, which is amazing. Really, really beautiful colors. The classic pink, this one went viral for a reason because it's beautiful. And then you got the shade 001 for the Dior Lip Oil, which is just a beautiful color. These are great gift sets for yourself, for the holidays, a present. These are just stunning. And one of my favorite things that I love about the gift sets, I know I'm like super zoomed in still, but one of the main things I love about the gift sets is the bag it comes with. It is literally stunning. My camera might be a little too bright to see, I can't tell, but it is this gold iridescent sparkly bag. It is absolutely stunning. I lowered my brightness so you can kind of see the iridescence a little bit more. It is so gorgeous, and it has the Dior logo, and I love how it doesn't say like Dior Beauty. It just says straight Dior, which is my favorite type of little bags to get from any designer company. These are just gorgeous. I love these so much. So again, this was $80. You get the beautiful viral gold bag. Has two of the Dior logos, which are awesome. And then you get two products. You get the Dior blush and the Dior lip oil, both the viral products. What do you guys think about this gift set? This is probably one of my favorites. I honestly love both of these products. I love the blush. It's a gorgeous pink, and I love the Dior lip oil. It makes your lips feel so hydrating and gives your lips like a beautiful glow. And of course, the bag is my favorite. I have so many Dior bags. Also, guys, if you are not buying off the Dior website to get free gifts, like you're doing something wrong, I'll post all the coupon codes down below so you guys can purchase this and get free gifts, because you always get free bags also. Like, that's how I have so many of them. But this new holiday one, oh, it's just absolutely stunning. The next gift set is one of my favorites, and it's the most affordable one from the holiday collection. And I think this is a great one if you are really looking to get the gold bag. If you are mainly looking to get that gold sparkly bag, you might consider this one because it is affordable and you get the gold bag, but then you also get makeup along with it. I ended up getting the Diorshow mascara holiday gift set. This one retails for $66. It is one of the most affordable ones in the holiday collection. Let's go ahead and open it up. Again, you get the beautiful gold bag. I can't get over this year's bag. It is absolutely stunning. The gold iridescents are incredible. You can wear this out to dinner like a little clutch. You could travel with it, keep it in your purse. I literally use these bags all the time. I'm so obsessed. I still use the blue one that they had last year. In love. Let's go ahead and open this one. Here are the two products that this gift set comes with. It comes with the iconic Dior mascara and the Dior Maximizer 4D Lash Primer Serum. So it comes with these two products along with the gold bag, and you're getting all this for $66. I think this one is a great bang for your buck. If you were looking for yourself, if you were looking for a present for someone, this is a great option. $66. You get the primer and the mascara and then the beautiful gold bag. This one is definitely one of the most popular ones because it is probably the most affordable. I love this one, and these mascaras work incredible. I've tried both the primer and the mascara before, and they literally make my lashes so long, so voluminous, and you are just getting a bang for your buck with this gift set. So those are the two gift sets that I picked up when the Dior holiday collection launched. I just snagged them so quickly. I still have my eye on some other gift sets, so I think I may be picking up more. Let me know if you guys want another video. If I do pick up more, if you guys want an unboxing. I also have another video that I filmed a few weeks ago talking about all the holiday gift sets from Dior. So if you're looking for more details about the other gift sets and if it's worth the money, I have it in my other video. I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. Of course, I'll have everything linked down below as well as any current coupon codes. The coupon codes are so good. You get so much more for your money. If you are purchasing anyway, just enter a code and you get free gifts. Like, it's incredible. The Dior program is amazing. The rewards program is amazing. And I am just a huge fan. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram group chat. That is basically a group chat where I post any new launches, new releases, coupon codes, because coupon codes change very fast. So I always put it in my Telegram group chat. That way, when there is a coupon code available, I post it in there so that you guys can use it right away before it changes or expires. So don't forget to follow my Telegram group chat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are not already, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.